Welcome to Rosetta Hub. In this tutorial we will show you how to add a machine image from the AWS Marketplace. Please make sure you are selecting the Overview tab, and that you are selecting the Workspaces and Labs perspective. Select Amazon Web Services as the cloud provider. Choose the region. For this tutorial we will choose Ireland. Under the Machine Images view, create a new image. Choose Marketplace as the origin. Input a label. Let's choose an image from the AWS Marketplace. For example, we are going to use this SAP HANA image. We need the product tag, which is included in the URL. You can either copy the tag, or the whole URL. We are going to copy the whole URL, and paste it under the Marketplace product tag. Let's open the port 22 for SSH. Press Create. A new icon will appear under the Machine Images view. Now, click on the image to launch it. Choose Spot Machine as the type. You can also change the machine root volume size and capacity. After you're done configuring, press Launch. A new formation will appear under Cloud Formations, and a new icon will appear under Sessions. Wait until you see a green tick on the upper left corner of the icon. This will take a few seconds. Once the green tick appears, you can click on the session icon to see the connections information. Download PuTTY. Then download the PPK file. Once downloaded, open a command prompt, go to your Downloads folder, and copy-paste the command line. You are now connected to your SAP HANA machine. Now let's assign the Marketplace role to an organization. This will subscribe the cloud accounts of all organization users to SAP HANA on the AWS Marketplace. Under Management, choose Organizations. Select the organization, then under Actions, choose Assign Roles. Under Marketplace, select SAP HANA Express Edition 32 GB. Press Assign Roles. All of the organization's users will be subscribed to SAP HANA. This will allow us to launch the formation on their cloud accounts. Let's go back to the Overview tab. Let's share the formation with the organization. Right-click, and choose Share. Choose the organization. Press Share, then Done. Now let's launch the formation on all students' cloud accounts. Right-click on the formation, choose Organizations, then Launch. You can notice that the SAP HANA formation is launched on all the students' accounts. It will take around 2 minutes for the machines to be ready. Once the practical is finished, you can shut down all the students' machines at once. Right-click on the formation, Organizations, then Shut Down. Thank you for following this tutorial. See you in the next one. Bye for now.